Another example, this patient fell on an outstretched hand and has painted snuff box. So by now you know we need to look for that scaphoid fracture. So please look carefully and see if you identify a fracture here at the scaphoid. So again, this is scaphoid, right? The 4 proximal bones, 4 more distal bones. This one's a scaphoid. Pretty hard to see a fracture. So what do? We get a repeat x-ray 28 days later. 1 month later, now do we see a fracture? Patient still has pain in the snuff box. Not really. There might be a little bit subtle sclerosis here, but day 1, day 28, if you look, I'm not sure. I think that sclerosis may have been there on day 1. So very confusing. What can we do? Well, we can get an MRI, which is a more sensitive way to identify fractures. On MRI, there's an obvious fracture line at the mid portion of the scaphoid with a lot of bone marrow edema and a fracture line. So the patient has a scaphoid fracture, which was very tough, in fact, almost impossible to see on the x-ray.